certain existing roadways will be removed and rerouted per the following. Motorists westbound on I-565 will have a new cloverleaf to exit onto County Line Road. Motorists eastbound on I-565 will still exit to the existing eastbound off-ramp, which will be rerouted into the new cloverleaf. To go from County Line Road to westbound I-565, an entirely new on-ramp will be built. To go from southbound County Line Road to eastbound 565, a second new cloverleaf is being added. And to go from northbound County Line Road to eastbound 565, a left turn will merge them onto the new cloverleaf. The interchange of Madison Boulevard and County Line Road is being moved slightly to the north of the existing interchange. And an entirely new road will be added so that motorists can traverse from County Line Road to and from Madison Boulevard on the west side of the new interchange. Finally, the existing access from the south part of County Line Road to and from Old Highway 20 Southwest will be relocated to the south to accommodate the new larger interchange.